In this video, I'll be showing you how to use this app called Folder Widgets. So this is one of the apps that I featured in a video that I made. So I'll leave a link to the video if you guys are interested in checking it out. But then, yeah, when you get to the Play Store, search for Folder Widgets by double tapping the search button here and typing Folder Widget. When you see it, it has this icon. So tap on it and then tap install. Then wait for a few seconds for it to get installed to your device. Alright, so after installing it, open it. Okay, it is showing my previous settings, so I'm going to delete them. Yours should look like this. You can watch the tutorial if you want, but that's why you're here, so there's no need. So tap try it and you'll get some folder designs. Yeah, you'll get some folder designs. So you can swipe to choose the one you want. Each one will show you how apps will look like on your home screen. Now keep in mind that if you're using the free version of the app, you can only choose 2 folders. But if you pay for the premium, then you can have as many as you want, I believe. So let's use this one. Tap next. Now we can choose the apps we want. So I'm going to choose maybe all my social media apps. So let's say YouTube. I'll just speed up this part of the video and get back to it after I'm done. Okay, so I'm done selecting all my social media apps. What I'll do now is tap this. This is just showing you the overall design. For now, I'll leave this one. Let's tap the next one. We'll get back to this one as well. Finally, we'll tap here and then we give the folder a name. So I'll call it socials. And I'll tap OK. So as you can see, it has changed to socials. You can tap here to change what happens when you tap on the label like this socials, and I want it to open the folder instead of bring me here to this page. So for now, let's just leave it the way it is and then tap pin to home. Tap add automatically, depends on the launcher you use. So now if I head back to the home screen, you can see this is what it looks like. I can long press it to resize it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now if I tap on any of the icons, the app will open. So TikTok will open TikTok. Open all these ones down here. You just have to be very careful how you tap them. Tapping on any of them will open the app. I can also tap the Reddit icon. Reddit will open and so on. So if you tap on the label socials, you can see now that the folder is open and all the apps are visible. So you can tap on any of the apps you want to open. But I will go back. So that's how the widget folder app works. And let's add another one. Remember, on the free version, you can add 2. So we'll create another one. This time, instead of doing it from scratch, you can tap discover and you'll see a list of different designs you can try. I don't like any of the designs, so I'll go back to the home screen, tap this one. And one that I like is the one that scrolls. Okay, this one, list. So choose all the apps you want. This time I'll just choose random apps. I'll name this one random for now. Then OK. We'll tap pin to home. Add automatically. And it has been pinned. So if I go back now, I'll bring it here. Let's put it here for now. Then adjust the size. And now I can scroll inside and open any app that I want. So you can design your home screen how you want with the folder widgets. Maybe the folders don't look good for you, so let's edit them and see. Alright, so we'll come to this icon over here, folder color. We'll tap here. Let's make it a bit dark. So this is it now. I don't think you'll need the folder border. There's no need for that. Let's increase the corners. Increasing the corners will make the folder look like this. So this looks okay. I don't think there's anything else I want to change. So let's tap save. And now if I go back, you can see that this one is a lot darker compared to this one. So you can adjust the settings if you want, but basically this is what you get. Okay, now we have two folders side by side. This one is scrollable, and this one I can just tap on any of the icons to open the app. So that's how you use folder widgets. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.